Tonto Dike, this one you do and well. You have done well. You have really done well for paying for the casket of Mohbad. You have done well. Nigerians should just be praying for you. People should just appreciate you for this. We want to appreciate you so much for, of course, finding it important and necessary to buy this young man, Ileroluwa Aloba Mohbad, a brand new casket. It's not easy. Tonto Dike had to pay from our own purse to sponsor the casket of Mohbad so that this guy can have a befitting burial. Welcome to DIGINAIJA, where we bring you the latest stories. Remember to like, share, and follow us. Of course, you know that Mohbad has been shown so much love by many Nigerians. A number of people have been contributing money here and there, showing love to his family and all of that. So Tonto Dike has this time around crowned it all by getting a brand new casket for Mohbad.
You guys can follow us and check the casket together. Have you know pick together? Yeah. Your life has heavenly balls. It's a very beautiful place for the dead. Oh my God. And we're thinking Imola is white.
Yes.
So
Let's see which one we can do.
I think we should do white. What do you think about this one?
Oh, yes, this is good. I think this is it.
And Tonto is actually officially paying for his casket. She's officially paying for it. Let me expose you. Yes. She's officially paying for Imola's casket. You guys should pray for her. God bless you.
Appreciation to Tonto Dike for, of course, achieving this. It's really it's amazing, and it's something that many Nigerians would appreciate. And of course, you can continue to pray for us. Send your comments, send your prayers to our comment section. Drop your comment, let us know what you think about this story. This is DIGINAIJA. Remember to share this video as much as you can. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.